Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You'll get by with a smile. You can win at everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. While they're closing all their doors and they don't want you anymore. This sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Girl, I'll stay the bad times.
English to, medyo mahirap, masakit sa ilong. I know you're not one for the spotlight. So I'll keep this short. You are the best ni MIL. Parang... Okay, mother-in-law, anyone could ever ask for, I am blessed to be loved by you. I never once felt like an outsider. You're one more of a mom to me for all those times you have been there for us. To guide and support Paul and I. I will appreciate it more than anything in the world. So let us spoil you today. May your day filled with the same warmth and joy you bring to everyone around you. In case you start feeling old, just remember you to have 2 children who still needs advice on everything. So please, stay safe, stay healthy. I love you, Mama. I'm borrowing Paul's arms to hug again today.
Hindi ko ma-express ang ginawa mo para sa akin ngayong kaarawan. Pero happy ako sa ginawa mo. Maraming salamat, lalo na sa aking kaisa-isang anak na si Paul. Sana bigyan pa ako ng...
Ano 500?
Buhay para makita ko pa kayo. Gusto ko sana makauwi ka na para makita ko ang inyong tunay na...
Baby, don't be scared.
Tunay na pagiging mag-asawa, kaya please, umuwi ka na. At salamat. Salamat din sa inyo lahat.
Okay.
Mga tiya ko, mga pinsan ko, salamat. Aring-aring, Gabong, Friend Aida, salamat sa inyo lahat.
Okay, happy birthday.
Ito sa akin, ito yung kayaki.